In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change car color in Photoshop. We'll walk through a fast method and then a more realistic technique so you can pick the one that fits your project. Start by opening Adobe Photoshop, then go to File, choose Open, and select your car photo. A well-lit, high-resolution image will always give you a better result, especially around edges and reflections. Next, select the painted body of the car. Choose either the Object Selection tool or the Quick Selection tool. Carefully drag and paint over the car's body panels, and avoid areas like windows, headlights, tires, trim, and chrome. Take your time here. Clean selections are the foundation of a convincing color change. If the selection grabs something it shouldn't, subtract from the selection until only the paint is included. With that area selected, go to Select, then Select and Mask to refine the edges. Use the Refine Edge brush tool to clean up around mirrors, curves, and tight details. Slightly increase Smooth to reduce jagged edges, and add a touch of Feather to introduce a more natural blend. Keep these adjustments subtle so you don't blur details. When the edges look clean and consistent, click OK. With the selection still active, create a hue saturation adjustment layer. Photoshop will automatically apply a mask from your selection so the adjustment affects only the car's paint. In the Properties panel, drag the hue slider to explore different colors. Boost saturation to intensify the color and adjust lightness sparingly to maintain realistic shadows and highlights. Watch reflections in panel lines. If they disappear, dial the sliders back for a natural finish. For the most realistic results, try the second method. Create a solid color adjustment layer and pick the exact color you want for the car. Click OK, then change the layer's blending mode. Color is usually the most natural because it preserves the original highlights and shadows, while overlay or soft light can give deeper, punchier tones when needed. Next, refine where the color appears using the layer mask. Paint black on the mask to remove the color from unwanted areas like windows or trim, and paint white to apply it only to the car body. A soft brush and moderate opacity help you blend transitions cleanly along panel gaps and edges. Finally, lower the layer's opacity to let the original reflections and textures show through. This subtle adjustment is key to achieving a believable, factory-like finish. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.